How to enable the group policy editor in Windows. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you to enable the group policy editor in your Windows. All you have to do is, first, open Notepad by simply pressing Windows Home button and search Notepad and select it from the search results. Now in this Notepad file, simply copy paste the code which I'll post in the description below. It's just a few lines of code, then just save the file and make sure that when you save this file, name it whatever you want, but just put it in a .bat format so that it gets saved as a bat file. Now just close the Notepad and right-click the newly made file and run as an administrator. And just wait until the procedure is done. And later, when all the procedure is finished, you just have to restart your PC to make changes. After restarting your PC, and now when you go to the Run window and type gpedit.msc command, you'll see now that the Group Policy Editor is activated on your Home Edition. This is how you enable the Group Policy Editor in Windows. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.